I really wish I was able to watch a video like this when I first started trading because these are honestly three things that I see a lot of people struggle with and something that can kind of boost you to success. So, this is going to be a bit of a different video. It's going to be a video that I honestly wish I was able to see when I was younger, when I first started trading. So, let's not waste too much time. First thing is stop loss. When you put a stop loss in the market, there is a reason why you put it there. Don't change your mind. When you enter a trade, there's a reason why you entered. There's a reason why that stop loss got put in that exact position, and there's a reason why that take profit got put. When you enter, leave it. It's like try to make it kind of like a mental game. Like when you enter that market, you can't do anything. That TP, that stop loss is put in place, and think of it as it's locked. There is nothing you can do. Stick to your strategy. There's a reason why you entered it, and there's a reason why that is going to get executed in whatever you hit, your TP or your stop loss. If it's your stop loss, fine. It's a learning curve. There's nothing wrong with your trade losing. I do agree it sucks, you lose money, yes, but there's a reason why your stop loss got hit, and there's a reason to learn from that. So don't get discouraged if you lose trades. It's honestly helpful. As I said, I know you're losing money. It sucks. Agreed, 100%. But you are actually learning from that. Every single time you lose, you don't actually lose. You're gaining knowledge, so you know what not to do next time. So that's very important. Stick to your strategy. You enter the trade, stop loss goes where it's supposed to be, take profit goes where it's supposed to be, leave it. There's a reason why you entered, there's a reason that your strategy is going to execute. Next thing, demo accounts. If you are new to trading, please do me a favor. Do not just jump to a live account or get like a top step funded. No, absolutely not. Go back test, go forward test. It's very, very important. You are not going to get anywhere in life just jumping and doing stupid decisions. You need to learn a strategy. You can't just jump in the market and just make money. And trust me, if you did do that and you made money right away, it's not going to last. That's just pure and utter gambling. You need time to learn how the charts actually react. You have to know their behavior. You have to see how candles actually work. And back testing and forward testing, complete different world. When you're live on the market and back testing, it's not the same. When you back test, you hit forward, you have a full candle. When you go forward testing or in a live market, which is what forward testing is, and you're in a live market, you have a candle body that's going up, down before the candle close. So those wicks, they're very psychologically like they hit you hard. I mean, you see your $700 up, and then you have one big body wick, and you're like down $200. Like it's not exactly those numbers, but it's very hard to like process. So you have to be strong. That's why even if you backtest and you have an amazing strategy, doesn't mean you're going to be successful in the market. So get a paper trading account. You have TradingView, for example, and go down, paper trade, 9:30 New York Open. Trade it as if it's your real money, even though it's fake money. Trade it. And also, if you want to backtest to find a strategy, then use FX Replay. By the way, TradingView and FX Replay, everything is down below if you want to find it. All the links are there. Third thing, stick to your strategy. That is so, so important. And I honestly wish I knew that. Because, for example, say you just started out and you're doing a pattern recognition. You jump on it, you see, I don't know, Head and Shoulders, and you see it maybe three times in the market, three times it fails, and you're like, this strategy is no good. Let me find another one. Let me go to support and resistance, like technical analysis. Okay. You see three ways you could enter the chart through that type of strategy that you just learned, like last night. And they both fail. That doesn't work. Let's find another strategy. No, you're not going to be successful like that. You're just going to run through all the strategies and you're not going to find anything. Stick with your strategy, give it minimum 3 months. After 3 months, if the strategy is still failing and you're not able to find something that works, switch it. Perfectly fine. But give it 3 months. Give it time to like soak in your brain, like understand how the strategy works, like the in and outs of it. You just watching one 15-minute video of ICT is not going to make you successful. You need to put the work in. The YouTube video is just to get the idea, to get an idea of what the strategy is. You can't follow it word for word and direction by direction. You need to go test it out. You have to see it on your own because your emotions at the end of the day are going to be a very big factor in the market. Emotions are so important, it's not even normal. I mean, I never thought trading was so like psychologically draining. Like it's gonna take you in, it's gonna spit you out as a new person. You are not gonna be the same person when you start out from trading. And it's honestly as simple as that. So if you do want to become a full-time day trader, there is a lot for you to go through. I mean, I went from a kid that used to wake up at 12 o'clock in the afternoon every single day, used to go to bed at like 3 o'clock. It was an insane schedule, stupid schedule. And now I'm up at 7 o'clock every single day. I have a whole morning routine from push ups to jumping jacks to working out and cold showers. It's insane. Meditating, freaking journaling. When did I ever think I would journal in my life? Like, no. Anything that involves writing or reading, I hate it. But all of a sudden, I'm like a whole different person when it comes to trading. And that's honestly one thing that you are going to experience. So yeah, I hope this video is not too long. Also, I just want to mention I did start a Discord channel. So if you do want to be a part of a little community, I'm trying to start out. For now, it's little. Hopefully, it's going to be bigger in the future. And if you are interested, I'm going to be posting, like, if you want to be close to me and all my networking, whoa, and pretty much everything I say. If you have any questions, well, I'll be there. There's a nice place to reach me. And yeah, if you are interested, link is down below. Broker is down below. Everything's down below. Just go check it out. So I hope you really did like this video. Leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like these type of videos, I don't mind making more. But yeah, peace.